What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin, which has pumped up another 65% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at this value here. So we're going to be looking at why has it been pumping so much. Over the last 7 days it's done 166%, and over the month 130%. So over the last week it has gained an insane amount of value. So how high is it likely to go? Again, a lot of people have missed out. So is it too late to buy it right now? If you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? That's also what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction for December and going into 2024. What can we expect from Milady meme coin? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator here, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart. This gives us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line slanting towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, Milady meme coin should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But in between that time, of course, as usual, do expect red candles, do expect dips in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, especially that it's been more or less hitting mostly green candles for most of the day, and over the last 2 to 3 days as well, it's been pumping quite a bit. So yeah, it is likely to gain a little bit more value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph expects, Milady meme coin to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to have dropped back down a little bit, potentially down to around the SMA indicator here ending in 7. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at by the end of next week. Reason I say that is because it's gained too much value right now. It is overvalued. Similar to Bitcoin, is overvalued, and the crypto market is likely to go for a price correction over the coming week or two. So even though over the next couple of days, so over this weekend, early next week, is likely to gain a little bit more value, keep hitting green candles, by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to have gone through an overall drop in value, dropping down to around this price range here, or just below that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So guys, do expect green days followed by red days next week, which means an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite steep, similar to the previous chart. So exact same here, it is not realistic. Exact same reason applies. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late January 2024, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to have dropped down in value to around this price range here ending in 6 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. The point is, over the coming week or two, it is likely to drop down to below this target here, the average value, and then from then onwards it should slowly and steadily hit green candles up, going in a slow and steady increase in value, just like how it's been over the last couple of months. It's been quite volatile, but the overall outcome has been positive, so I am expecting it to carry on that way, hitting green candles at a slow and steady pace, not at a massive, hitting it like this here, because that's not sustainable. And most of the time when cryptos do hit massive green candles like it has been for the past 3 days, what ends up happening is the crypto starts to crash back down in value, which we don't want to see, because that is not sustainable. We want it to go up in a slow and steady pace. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. We're not going to be using the Fibonacci scale on this chart, because let me show you what happens if I do use it. We are literally trading in the lower part of the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to hit the blue zone here, and even to work out the figures is quite difficult. But yeah, I'm not expecting Milady meme coin to hit the resistance target anytime soon. It is likely to stay in the red zone for most of this year. Well, we are end of the year anyway, and most of 2024 as well. However, if I'm expecting any major pumps or anything like that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has once again gone up over 150% in the last 24 hours, making it $17 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. Again, the trading volume has been going up over the last week. Let's have a look. A week ago, the trading volume was about $2.4 million, and right now has gone all the way up to 17.15. So yeah, that's how much value is gained and how much traction it has gained from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people are looking into the project. We're seeing a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers as well trading the crypto right now. So yeah, this is my take on Milady meme coin, guys. So those of you asking, is it time to buy it or is it time to sell it? So let's start off with the buying first. I wouldn't buy it right now because it is, as mentioned earlier, overvalued, and I'm expecting it to drop back down over here over the coming week or two to its SMA indicator, meaning investing it into it right now is too late, especially that I'm for the long-term trade. I would rather wait it out for it to drop and then invest into it. However, if you are a short-term trader, then it's a completely different ball game. And from the seller's point of view, yes, I would sell it, but I wouldn't sell all of it. For example, if I had $1,000 into it right now and I was on a profit, I would sell about 50 to 60% and keep the remaining 40 to 50% for the long run going into 2024, 2025 and so on. Meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got some investment into Milady meme coin, which in my opinion works both ways. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on this crypto, guys. Comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And I'm going to end the video here. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.